If you've ever wondered how shelves in a bookcase or timber cabinet stay in place, chances are you're looking at a housing joint, which is also called a Dado joint in the USA. A housing joint is created when you cut a trench across the grain of one piece of wood and then slot another piece directly into that trench. Think of it like a puzzle piece fitting into its slot. The groove houses the inserted board, which is where the name comes from. This joint is incredibly popular for shelving, bookcases and cabinet construction because it provides excellent support from three sides. The shelf pretty much can't twist or sag because the walls of the trench stop it from doing so. It's strong, reliable and surprisingly simple. And it also allows for fixture-free joining so you don't see any unsightly screw or nail heads. You'll find housing joints useful in many applications, everywhere from timber kitchen cabinets, bookshelves, drawer dividers, etc. Pretty much any time you need a solid perpendicular connection. It's one of those fundamental joints that once you spot it, you'll see it everywhere. That's the housing joint in a nutshell. Simple, strong and essential for any beginner woodworker to learn.